Hello everyone, welcome back to SQL family. Today we are going to see about one of the most asked SQL interview question for top MNCs. Let's see what is the question, what is the answer for that. The question is difference between in and exist clause and which one is the better for performance tuning time. So let's see briefly. So now I'm going to create a table that is called as employee master table having employee ID, employee name and department ID, job type and salary. So now I'm going to create a table for EMP master and now I'm going to insert few records uh, employee ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and what is the name, employee name and what is the department ID and job type and salary values. So let's insert all the records. Okay, incorrect syntax line 5. Okay, associates in associate. Okay, it is having two commas. So I'm removing one commas. It's insert thing. So 5 records are inserted. Now let's see what are the records are stored in EMP master. So these are the records are stored. Now I'm going to create a one more table that is called a department table having department ID and department name. So now I'm going to create a table department. So table is created. Now I'm going to insert a few department details like IT department, HR department, admin department, office staff details that is having some department name. So I'm keep it as a office staff as a one department. So now rows are inserted. Now let's see what are the data are stored in department table. So these are the records are stored in department table. Now I'm going to explain in class first. So select star from EMP master where I'm using department ID in I want 10 comma 20. So two department only I want. So I'm using in class to pass these two values. Okay, so 10 and 20, these two values only it is sorting and it is getting the output for that. Now we can use in class subquery also. We can use a subquery within the in class also. So this is the example for subquery. So select department ID from department where department name in IT and HR. Let's execute first this query in the subquery first. What is the output we can see? So department ID 10 and 20. This will pass to the main query. This select star from EMP master where department ID in 10 comma 20. So it is executed and it is produced a few records based on the condition like 10 and 20 department ID. Now I'm going to show you exist class how to use that one. So same way I'm using select star from EMP master where exist keyword I'm going to use and within that exist we are going to use subquery select one because we are now in exist class we can't use directly we can't use a column name we can use one. It's a numeric value, so any column we can compare in the department table. So we can use one from department and we are making a join condition for department ID and employee table employee master and I want job type is IT only. So let's match this condition and execute this query. Let's wait. Sorry, IT is not there. I'm using associate. So it is passing two values based on this department table department ID. Based on the department ID, it is passing to EMP master for associate values. So these two values are associated. Let's see what is the difference between both. So I have already prepared in and exist class. For subquery, it returns a list of values because we are using in of we can put whatever the values we can use comma separated, but exist it returns boolean result, that means true or false. That is the first difference between in and exist class. For execution, typically compare each values of column against the list of values and return the subquery. That means it will check this subquery value and after that it will pass to main query. Based on that only it will produce. But here Subquery check for the existing of any row. That means any values is exist or not. And after that, it is using semi join. That means join the table between main table and detail table for more efficient for some cases. So null values, how we can handle null values? For null values, if the list or subquery contain null, special care it will take, and it's needed because null comparison can lead to unexpected result. That means in condition we can't use null comparison, right? Because null is undefined and unknown. But in exist generally unaffected by null values in subquery. So performance based small data set means we can prefer in class, that is the best efficient with small list of values. But you have large data set, then we can go with exist class to get more performance tuning for SQL. Thank you all, and please subscribe our channel to get more information, and please comment me if you have any query related doubts or concept related doubts. Thank you all. Bye.